back up to the top 10 run.
Dan Shaver also in that bunch.
Oh,
Shaver goes around.
And Bobby Gearhart in the 5, and they stack up behind him. This one-car spin has turned into about a 6-car wreck. See Keith Mert just involved in that spin earlier in the 19 car. He's involved as well. Caution is out.
Christy Passmore also caught up in that accident. Caution out on lap 68. 5.
Yep. I'll tell you what, A.J. Hendrickson did another outstanding job there.
He's had several close calls today. A lot of cars just victim here. Boy, look at Keith Mert in the 19 car. That was a very hard lick. Car come all the way up off the ground.